Next video is showing you how I'm moving the motor. Motor weighs a couple 100 pounds, so here goes nothing.
Both done marvelous work. However, there can only be one champion. Jay.
A real like profile, bigger Viking axe brought out. You know, the feeling of it, the look of it. I wish there was a little more belly to the blade, but we also have some symmetry issues where your blade coming off the eye has the light can and the blade head along the handle. A bit off also.
Looks like you just grab it right in the middle. There's a hook on there.
I like the pattern more than this. That was a great touch. Your pivot on your hat was great. And I love the profile, but you kind of lost track on the handle.
The roundness of your handle does give it a tendency to move around too much to where it doesn't feel like you can tell where the edge of the blade is at all times.
My granddaughter's screaming at the chicken.
Proud as blade splits.
Check it
However,
out.
in this competition, there can only be one winner.
Drop it down some more.
So you
cannot be over here. Go down there.
Even though you did a nice job throwing some pink skin to it, it just wasn't enough to go to the fact that that blade will just hang around and keep saying.
All right, go down the driveway. There is the motor. I'm gonna let that down. I think I'm gonna have to end up unhooking that and take it off because I don't think it's gonna drop far enough. Maybe I put it on a stand.
Put it on the stand.
Set her on a stand. That's what I took it off of. I certainly can put it back on. Alright. I know you guys are having a hard time seeing this. Here I am. Now I'm letting her back down. Low enough. Okay. That's a 2 horsepower motor, 1750 RPM. I don't know who the maker is on it. It's got a plate on it. But I guess it drives that power hammer pretty darn good. We'll take a closer look at the hammer.